Alright, hi guys. Today is another day for pre-market analysis. So we're looking at UJ. Now, if you look at this chart, very clean, 3 months time frame. Look at what has been happening to UJ. And UJ is actually on a 3 months resistance, which you can actually see, here, which you can actually see here. This is a 3 months resistance. You can see this is a 3 months resistance. It came here before, couldn't break, and it's here again, couldn't break. All these 3 months candlestick, so we can see what happened in the last 3 months and this other one here. So now let's zoom down. So right now we are more bearish on UJ based on what we are seeing here. We're more bearish on UJ because we're expecting UJ to drop. Since it couldn't break above this resistance, then we should expect more selling pressure down. So now let's go down to the 1 month time frame and see what is going on. Alright, on the 1 month time frame, you can see bearish. This blue line I draw here is more like a trend line, price has tapped here before. So price has tapped here before, that's tapped here again, and it's coming back here. So this is a 1 month time frame, so we expect price to at least sell down to this zone again, then hopefully break it down, or maybe use here as another support and start going back all the way up. So alright, so let's now scale down to the weekly time frame. Alright, this is the weekly time frame. Look at how the market closed last week. You can clearly see how the price closed last week. A candlestick breaking this support zone here. You can see this was the support, was helping price to go up, but last week price actually broke and closed below it, meaning we are expecting to see more selling pressure this week down, at least to the trend line, or at least to this zone here. So we are more bearish on UJ. So let's go to the daily time frame. Alright, okay, this is the daily time frame. So like what you said, we are looking for more sells. So we are more bearish on this move, but right now we can't actually take a trade. Do you know why we can't take a trade? Because if we take a trade like here, let me show you. If we take a trade like where price is currently now, it's more like we are hanging on the fence. We are standing on the major road. Price has already left our point of interest. This is our point of interest. This is where we would have loved to take the trade. Price is already here. We can't join. If we join, it's just like we are standing in the middle of the road, and we don't want that. This is giving us a very bad risk to reward, so we can't take that shit. So what we're expecting to happen, either price to retrace around this zone again, then we join for a sell all the way down here. You get, that will be better for us. So if the price come here and this zone couldn't stop it, then we should see price, we should go buy price all the way up here, and if this zone couldn't stop it, maybe up here. You get, so we want to see what actually happened. But remember that on the overall time frame we are bearish on this move. So if this price actually retraces to this blue yellow zone, then we should see price dump all the way down here. So that means our risk to reward is we expect to take the trade around here. You get, but this is a daily time frame, so we cannot actually take trade on the daily time frame unless maybe you have huge capital and you're a swing trader. Remember, we were a scalper. So now let's move down to the 1 hour time, 4 hours time frame. So that's what we're expecting to happen in the market right now. So we're expecting price to trade above here. Okay, good. I'm able to see something amazing. So if you see here now, this is a zone. Let me zoom in. All right, you can see you can see a zone here. Ah, let me draw it very well. You can see a zone here, right? So now this zone is more like a resistance zone. Like what I mean resistant is stopping price from going up, going up, going up. So I remember that this zone is just coming out from here. You know, the reason why there's retraction here, price actually broke this support and is back to retest it. And now it has like look at what happened. Price broke this support right here, like broke it, came back to retest this area, you know, couldn't, try several times, and now it has closed with a very strong bear and bullish candlestick around this area. So now all we are looking out for now, remember that overall trend is sell, but that doesn't mean we can't catch good buying move before the market actually sell down. So now look at what I'm looking at. If price should trade above this zone I marked here, then we should see price buy all the way up here. Let me just do the setup here. Now we should see price buy. If price should trade above this zone I marked here, then we should see price at least buy all the way to this yellow zone here, this zone, maybe around here. I'll take it as TP1, but maybe around here, you get. So that is if price should trade above there, you get. So because we cannot just actually take the trade immediately, because number one, you can see price actually retesting. This is a support that was turn resistance, so that price actually retesting it here. So that is why you can see. So but I will comfortably risk on this trade if I see this candlestick like price trading above this zone. I'll enter a trade, but based on the lower time frame confirmation. So now if I should go down to let me go to the 5 minutes time frame and see what's happening there. Okay, 7 minutes. All right. So now if you look here on the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that actually there was a trend line break here. You can see this trend line break signified that price is trying to like go up. Remember that this zone here was the 4 hours resistance. I told you that if you break above, remember. Why this other one here is that upper resistance. Let me show you to upper resistance. You can see this is the upper resistance here. So we just like a guide. That's another place that could actually affect the price. So now since price have shown on that it's going up, so for me to take this trade, at least let me see the price take out this high here. If the market take out this high, then maybe I could comfortably go in for a buy around here. This is for extra confirmation, extra confirmation. If you just want to confirm more, then remember the target is still that yellow zone that we talked about previously. So take it here. So now this is giving us a risk to reward of 1:9, 1:5 risk to reward. You can see 1:5. That is the power of smaller time frame entry. 1:5. We are taking the trade on the 5 minute time frame, but targeting the higher time frame support key zones. You understand? So that is how we catch good move on the market. So that is the two possibilities we are looking out for. So if the market should actually let me go to the 1 hour. Let me see. Now we've seen a possibility for buy. So now, but let's see a possibility for sell. You understand? Remember the overall time frame is sell. So now let's see a possibility for sell. Okay. So this other small setup here is the one for buy. If price should trade above here, then we can buy. We'll comfortably buy this market to this yellow side. You can see how our stop loss is smaller because we are going to the higher time frame to take a trade based on this one. So this is giving us 1:3, and this is giving us 1:5. 1:5 risk to reward. Are you seeing? So now let's see possibility for sell. Remember that where price is currently now is a resistance. So all we are looking out for, if we see any setup that looks like sell, we are going in for a sell and sell the market all the way down. So actually I'll look at here, I'll consider here I'll consider this zone here. Understand? Let me change the color. So now I'm considering this zone here. If price should, okay, let me change, okay, you know what, let me change this upper color. Okay, look at it this way. Let's look at it this way. Tell, we are selling the market from here, then maybe here. You get, as if price should break below that zone. Sorry, no, that stop loss is not good. Sorry. All right, let's see. Oh my god. All right, let me see. Good, beautiful. So the stop loss is okay. I'll take it. Is fair enough. So let me take it on this. Okay, it's fair enough like this. So 1 is to 2 weeks to reward. So that is it. If the price should trade below this other support I marked, then we sell the market all the way down. And if the price should trade above here, we'll buy the market all the way to the yellow line. So that is my analysis for UJ for this week that is coming in. So let's see how the market actually goes. Thanks guys.